Stop wasting your time chasing the hacker dream the wrong way. That's right. If you think downloading Kali Linux, running a few Metasploit commands, or binge-watching YouTube tutorials will turn you into a top-tier hacker, you're fooling yourself. You're not learning, you're escaping. You'll spend weeks hopping from tool to tool, copying commands with no clue what's going on under the hood. You'll join a bunch of Discord servers, bookmark courses you never finish, and eventually, you'll burn out. You'll quit. And when you do, you'll say things like, "Cybersecurity is too hard. I wasn't smart enough. It's all saturated." But here's the truth. Cybersecurity isn't the problem. The problem is that nobody told you what you're really getting into. Nobody warned you that without a clear path, without a strategy, and without the right mindset, this journey will eat you alive. So before you waste another hour chasing the illusion, let me show you the real obstacles you'll face, the real challenges, and help you figure out if you're truly built for this world or not. Welcome to my channel, the place where we expose the raw, unfiltered truth about hacking, cybersecurity, and everything in between. If you're serious about becoming a hacker, then let's break the illusion. Here are the biggest challenges you're going to face while learning cybersecurity, and how to overcome each one. The first challenge you may likely face while learning cybersecurity is this: too many tools, no clear direction. You start learning Metasploit. Then, well, you hear about Nmap. Next you jump into Burp Suite, Wireshark, Nikto, Hydra, and suddenly you're trying to master everything at once. It feels like you're drowning in tutorials, tools, and tech jargon. Reality check: most beginners get stuck here. You keep switching tools and courses, hoping the next one will make it click, but nothing sticks, because you're not building depth, you're building confusion. Now let's talk about the solution. Don't chase every tool. Focus on one domain first. Want to hack websites? Start with web application hacking. Learn how HTTP works, how cookies function, and how to exploit login forms. More interested in infrastructure? Go for network pen testing and understand how TCP/IP, ports, and firewalls work. Use platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and Portswigger Labs to practice one area at a time. Master that domain, then move to the next. The second challenge you'll also face in cybersecurity is lack of consistency. You get excited for 2 weeks, binge watch hacking videos, maybe even try a few CTFs, then you disappear for a month. You lose motivation, and when you return, you feel like a total beginner again. This loop kills more careers than you think. The problem isn't that you're not smart enough, it's that you're not consistent enough. Now here's the solution. Cybersecurity isn't about one-time bursts of energy, it's about long-term commitment. Treat it like the gym. Set small, weekly goals. Do 1 machine hack per week or solve 3 labs. Join a community or Discord group to keep yourself accountable. Progress in hacking comes from repetition and rhythm, not random sprints. The third challenge you'll run into is this: you don't understand code. You don't have to be a full-stack developer, but if Python, JavaScript, or shell scripts scare you, you'll always hit a wall. How will you analyze malware? How will you write custom payloads or understand exploits? Let's fix that. Start with Python. It's the hacker's language, perfect for writing scripts, scanning systems, or automating tasks. Then get comfortable with JavaScript, especially if you want to go deep into web hacking and XSS. Learn how code talks to the system, how file systems, requests, and processes work. You don't need to be perfect, just fluent enough to read, tweak, and understand. The fourth challenge is deadly. You want fast money or fast fame? So you see those screenshots of bug bounty hunters making $20,000 in a single night. You want to go viral, show off your 0-day, or maybe hit that HackerOne leaderboard. But let me tell you the truth here. In your first 6 to 12 months, you'll likely earn nothing. You'll be learning, you'll be failing, you'll be grinding, that's just how it goes. The solution? Shift your focus from money to mastery. Build your skills first, the money will chase you later. Work on labs, build a portfolio, write blog posts, or record YouTube tutorials. Let your work speak louder than your wallet. The fifth challenge is something even pros face. The industry moves fast. Today it's SQL injection, tomorrow it's server-side request forgery in cloud environments. The day after, GraphQL abuse, HTTP smuggling, and AI-driven phishing. If you're not constantly learning, you'll become obsolete. How to keep up? Well, follow top hackers and security researchers on X or Twitter. Read exploit write-ups, Red Team blogs, and CVE advisories. Stay active on forums like Reddit's NetSec, Stack Overflow, and ExploitDB. Make learning part of your lifestyle, not just your study plan. Let's be real, cybersecurity is not for everyone, especially if you're lazy, if you hate reading and learning new things, if you can't handle pressure or rejection, if you're doing this just for money, then don't waste your time. This field will crush your spirit, drain your energy, and leave you behind. This isn't a trend, it's a digital battlefield. But if you're curious, if you love puzzles, if you find joy in breaking things and fixing them again, if you're hungry to learn and obsessed with how things work, then welcome. Cybersecurity is waiting for you. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button hit. Subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next drop. Drop a comment right now. I'm built for cybersecurity. This isn't a game, this is the front line of the digital age. And you're either on defense or in the dark. Stay curious, stay dangerous, stay ethical.